Welcome to this 21-day meditation journey. I'm thrilled you've chosen to join me on this path to deeper understanding, growth, and transformation. Each day of this course is designed to guide you through various aspects of mindfulness, love, abundance, and gratitude, elements that have profoundly impacted my own life. Meditation is a powerful practice, not just for the moments of stillness it brings, but for the lasting change it can cultivate in our lives. The true value of meditation comes from regular practice. It's about creating a habit that builds over time, deepening your connection with yourself, and enhancing your interaction with the world around you. To enrich this experience, I've included journal prompts for each day. These prompts are crucial for reflection. They help you process what you've learned during each meditation. I encourage you to use them right after your meditation or as a quiet end to your day. Writing down your thoughts helps solidify your insights and fosters a deeper, more personal connection to each topic. Repetition is another key component of this course. The value of revisiting these meditations cannot be overstated. Each time you repeat a session, you may discover new insights or understand previous reflections on a deeper level. Feel free to return to the entire course or focus on a particular week that resonates deeply with you or addresses current challenges in your life. Thank you for taking this journey with me. I created this course because meditation's been a life-changing force for me. In our busy lives, the need for stillness, for a moment to pause and connect inwardly, is more crucial than ever. I've also made sure that the meditations are all under 10 minutes, so along with the journal prompts, this should take you no more than 15 minutes a day. You're worth 15 minutes a day. It's well worth it to enrich your life. And remember, as you embark on this course, that each step forward is part of a transformative process. One that I really hope will bring you profound peace and abundant joy. So, let's begin this journey together, embracing each day with an open heart and a mindful spirit.